Alright friends, now we will learn how to create strings with new string syntax in Java. When creating a string, you might see the syntax new string. So don't worry, let's understand what it means. So normally, we create a string like this, string name equals to John. But you can also use this way, string name and then I say new string, so inside the parentheses I give John. I can create string like this. Both approaches are valid. So if I print it, I come here, I say system out.println and then I give my name. I run it, you see John appears. If I assign directly, I say John, I run again, I save it, and I run again. You see John appears on the screen. I mean, in both cases, the output is John. So, functionality, they behave the same. But personally, I prefer the short and simple version. I prefer this version. But it's still good to know about new string method because you might encounter it in different parts of code. So great. Now you know both ways to create strings in Java.